Okay, here we are, Friday afternoon, February 16th. So just doing our update number 3. So lots happening in the pool department the last 2 weeks. Our stone gutters are pretty much done. We fitted that in and about all of the other events going on. We just finished our last big pour for creating the swimming pool. So and we got electricity this 2 weeks. So our now we've got an electric box. We just need to build a house around it. So that was a big relief, to put it mildly. Getting off the generator, and we're not competing with its noise. So we got a nice quiet afternoon, but we poured 7 cubic meters of concrete to form up the walls here today. So in this stretch, we basically went from no pool to, for all intents and purposes, a completed pool. Here, there, anyways, this sort of just gives the form layout as it sits and solidifies as we head back to San Jose for our break. Anyways, what isn't done is the infinity comes at a second stage, because basically without serious gymnastics, basically we can't pour this at one time. And all we end up with is one cold join where the infinity joins the pool, and of course the infinity is only basically 2 feet by 2 feet anyway. So when we're back, we have infinity to pour and one apron at the other end of the pool to pour. So a lot less things to cover this time other than one big monster. So this is basically 19 1/3 cubic meters of concrete that we poured here during this stretch. So that will now get finished on the next tour. What we have to do there, and start on the house portion of foundation work, and then this needs to sit for at least 2 weeks, ideally 4 weeks, depending before we start doing any real finishing work with it. But those who are following the videos, I'm assembling a do's and don'ts and hows and whys of how to build a swimming pool, and take care of all of the issues with the notoriously crappy Tico pools, and all the problems that come with them, and the maintenance issues, as well as the cost of running them and how you are circulating this pool. This pool has a lot of circulation. Oh, for those who are wondering just on the video, this pool inside measurements are basically 8 feet by 40 feet. Or, if you prefer in metric, 2.4 meters by 12.2 meters. That front is, of course, dropped down 4 inches from all the rest for the infinity to spill over there. The ends are higher, and then this wall next to the house is higher yet, as the house platform is 2 feet over the pool, due to how far we had to put that pool down to get into solid footing there. So anyways, with that, we'll make this one a relatively short review. Plus, as I said, all of the significant details about the pool will be in the pool video, which will be definitely well over half an hour of information that will be there. Anyways, with that, I am signing off for a horrible February afternoon in Costa Rica.